Hi, this is Chris. Right here in Santa Barbara, my hometown. Woohoo! Delivering Pammi pebbles from Montana. Who'd have thought? You can see this landscaper has made a very beautiful selection of perennials and some succulents and this container here. So a really good combination of aesthetic features, making a complete landscape. Quality pottery. Okay, yeah, there is a plastic bender board, but I give a pass because it's the coast. And on the coast, you can get away with this stuff. It will not go weird. It will not go Pringle potato chip on you, as it will in areas where you have significant changes in temperature. So, again, a very beautiful selection of perennials, and got a nice protea back there. Looks like a pink mink. But my main thing here is to show off the 1.5" Pammi pebbles. You can see there's a great size put in here with this flagstone. I haven't washed them off completely, but you can see the good pastel color that comes through and how it ties in with the perennial plants. So, 1.5" Pammi pebbles and a beautiful perennial landscape in Santa Barbara.